Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize HubSpot webhooks for sales notifications step by step. Begin by logging into your HubSpot account. Navigate to the settings section from the main dashboard. In the settings sidebar, locate and click on integrations. Select webhooks from the integrations options. Now, find the create webhook button and click on it. You will be prompted to enter a webhook name. Choose a descriptive name that reflects its purpose. Next, select the events you want to trigger the webhook. For sales notifications, choose events such as deal created, deal updated, or contact assigned. Once you've selected your events, enter the URL where the webhook should send the data. Make sure this URL is accessible and ready to process the incoming data. Next, you can configure the headers if necessary. This is optional but can be used for authentication purposes. After configuring the headers, review your selections to ensure everything is correct. Then, click the Save button to create the webhook. You will now see your newly created webhook in the list. To authorize the webhook, you may need to provide additional authentication details. Check if the receiving server requires any specific token or key. Depending on your server's requirements, you may have to create a secret key. Ensure you securely store this key for future use. Now, navigate back to your receiving server settings. Add the HubSpot webhook URL along with any required authentication details. It's crucial to test the webhook to confirm it's working properly. Trigger one of the selected events in HubSpot to send a test notification. Monitor your server to check if the data has been received as expected. If everything is functioning correctly, you are now set up for receiving sales notifications. Remember to regularly monitor and update your webhook settings as needed. Congratulations, you have successfully authorized HubSpot webhooks for sales notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.